afraid of the dark. I used to be afraid of what's inside my broken parts. As I sat beside myself and picked them apart, I made friends with the ghosts and the demons inside my heart. They ask me why I will not set them free. They've been trapped within the walls I built inside me. All this time I was the one I was holding on.